Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to upload full picture on Instagram without cropping. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. So for example, this is my Instagram and I'm trying to post photo. Okay, so this is the photo I want to post, but you can see I'm not able to post the photo completely. Okay, so legs are not visible or a face is not visible. Okay, so let's edit this photo. Okay, to edit this picture we need Snapseed app. For that, just open the Snapseed app. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this interface. Now click on open and just select your picture you want to extend. For example, this is my photo. Now just go to the tool section and simply click on expand. Three tools. First is smart, white and black. Okay, now to extend a photo, just tap on smart option and just simply drag the side like this, and you can see the photo gets filled automatically like this. Same from upper side, downward. Once you feel it's looking good, then just you can see before one and the after one. Now just tap on the apply, click on export and just click on save. Let's upload this picture on the Instagram. Let's see. And here's the result. This is the before one and this is the after one. You can upload your full picture on the Instagram without cropping. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.